everyone, welcome to Easy English Show by Pinky. No, Sandy. on YouTube channel and Facebook channel. Type Sandy Boon, capital B-O-O-N, the same. So, today I'm going to teach you how to swing and a smile, okay, by Sandy Boon. If you want to have a good swing, not like this, okay, good swing, you need to follow 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, first, arm. Second, hand. Third, shoulder. And fourth, set. And the last step, or fifth, let it go. Or swing, okay, but I call it to be easy. Just let it go. Okay, and now I'm going to teach you how to swing with this long torch or flashlight. This torch has 2 sides of lights. Here, 1 and 2. You have to turn it on, okay? Okay? No? Anyway, let's start. First, you have to separate your feet. 1, 2, left and right. The same, okay? And then you hold the torch or the club. Okay, this is how you hold. And then let's start. First, arm. So you move your arm like 7. And then hand. So you move your hand up, become 8. And then shoulder. You have to break your right elbow. Ta-da! Like this. A hurry. And then comes down. Set is going to be like this. And the torch is going to be near the leg and hip. And then let it go. Your foot, right foot, have to be like kicking the football. And it has to be straight, okay? And then your arm is going to be like this. Like you are holding a ball over here. Not like this. It's going to be beautiful, okay, if you do like this. And then take picture. Move. And smile. Try again. First, arm. Hand. Shoulder. Break your elbow. And then set and let it go. Ta-da! Again? Okay. Remember, your head is going to be still, like your head is covered with a circle. Arm. Hand. Hand is going to be like 8. And then shoulder. And then this one is going to point to the ball. There's no ball here. Okay? And then set and let it go. Smile too. And this is how we swing. Next, I'm going to show you outside. Ta-da! Now, I'm outside to swing with the club and balls, okay? So, you take your ball and your club, I use 7-iron. Put your ball on a mat or put it on the tee. Never mind. Okay, let's start. Arm, hand, shoulder, set, and let it go. Kick your ball too. Let's try again. Separate. You should look at the ball when you swing, okay? Arm, hand, shoulder, set, and let it go. Ta-da! And you can do like this 5 steps for 1 tray or 40 balls. And after that, you can do another 1 tray with only 4 steps. Like this. Separate. Arm, hand, shoulder, and just let it go. No set, okay? And you can do this for 1 tray. And then, if you're good, you can just go along the way, like this. Separate, arm, hand, shoulder, and let it go. For 3 trays, 4 trays, any trays. So, this is how we swing. And don't forget, okay, English is easy because I speak every day. Bye!